showing it to you to see just how rough all this is. Okay, and then how it's going to turn out. Alright. So you can see I sanded. I'm going to sand this more. Alright, that was the before. This is the after. Okay, now I'm smoothing this out. This is kind of dark right in here. Okay, so we're just going to lightly wipe to blend this in. Okay, slightly wipe and blend. You've seen how this started out. Okay, and now you're seeing how it's finishing out. All right, so this is finishing it out. Now, how did I get it to this point? It took me about 2 hours to sand the poly off. See this here? If you leave it, it'll stain and dry like that. So you'll smooth it out. See? You just smooth it out. Any imperfections, any lines in the stain. Okay? Like this here, see? You just smooth it out of there. Okay, so I just spent 2 hours sanding this all. Okay, here's a staining sponge. Okay, oil and water base, stains and varnishes. It works really well. It's like a terry cloth. Let me show you. There's what it looks like. Kind of see through it here. It's really light. It works really, really well. And there's the restore finish. Alright, and it's designed to pour sideways. Right, it comes with this little plastic seal. Alright, now what I like doing is just kind of taking this. This is faster because of the large area. If I was staining a piece of 1x or a balusters or newels or spindles, I would just put it to the rag itself and then I would just wipe it on. But because of the large area I'm dealing with, okay, I am catching this edge right here so it doesn't run over. All right, and get the face. Okay. All right, I got some on the wall here, and as you see, this will wipe right off. Coming out pretty good. I'll be spraying this with poly next. All right. This is my friend, my brother Rick. Come over to visit. Gary, brother Rick. Brother Gary, my brother from another mother. Say hi. All right, time to go take care of some other business.